Hey, what's up? So we wanted to take a second to talk to you all about subscriptions, because you know we have subscription-based products for all of our products. I figured that'd be really cool for you to know about. Right, Mickey? Oh.
Kristen, what are you doing? Why you like this as a person? You come here. Where'd you go?
I got energy to expend.
Why you like this as a person? It's Mickey's mom. Oh, she's so close. All right.
All right.
Nothing to do with subscriptions in a sense, but I love the feel of like the midnight rose in my beard because it has that nice pepperminty feel, and I get that nice, just like opens the pores, and it's got like the AC flowing. It just feels so good. Yeah, that's all I wanted. Okay, so talking subscriptions, right? Subscriptions. Here's the thing about subscriptions. I like them because one particular reason, you don't have to be ashy all the time because I'm making sure you get it every single month. But here's my issue when it comes to subscriptions, right? People like to act like they don't realize that they ordered a subscription, and that's my biggest problem there. So like you clearly signed up for a subscription. It's very simple to see that you signed up for it. You click the button to subscribe. But here's the thing. Here's where people start acting up, right? You save 10% when you sign up for one of my subscriptions, which is super dope. But what happens is someone sees it, they want to save the 10%, they click on it, they forget to unsubscribe the next time it rolls around, and then they get charged for it. And they're like, oh no, I didn't pay for it. What? They're like, whoa, you're trying to steal from me, you're trying to rob from me, you're trying to take from me, Mike, what are you doing? And I'm like, what are you talking about? It's like, I didn't sign up for a subscription, why are you trying to steal my money? And I'm like, but you did sign up for a subscription. And they're like, no, I didn't. And then I'm like, but yeah, you did. And they're like, no, you didn't. I'm like, but yeah, you did. Let's take a look together. And they're like, oh, well, what? There we go. I'm interrupting this regularly scheduled rant to tell you the sponsor of this video are Black Spades. Can you see it? Hold up. Close enough. Black Spades. They're sponsoring this video. Sponsored in part by whatnot. So let's crack these open real quick so I can show what these look like. You ready? Let's do it. Alright, so I'm getting ready to do a quick unboxing of these playing cards, okay? So, Black Spades, as I mentioned, is well, I didn't mention it, but they're a black-owned premier playing card brand that focuses on spades. So, yeah, if you know how to play spades and you'll like these, you don't know how to play spades, you should start. Because if you go to a cookout without knowing how to play spades, you get kicked the hell out. You know that. I know that. We all know that. Alright, let's make this happen here. So, we got the cards here. Open up. Do not litter, so put stuff in your pocket. All right, Black Spades. Ownership of this deck certifies that you are among the first 1,000 individuals to support Black Spades in our mission to empower, enrich, and inspire. It is our sincere wish that this deck is used to teach at least one person to play spades and provides years of memories, friendship, and enjoyment. As you shuffle, deal, and ultimately play with these cards, we hope that you feel the absolute honor and pride that we felt while making them for the culture. All right. That's dope looking. All right, cool. So we got the Jokers, Big Joker, Little Joker, Amen, and Anubis. Ooh, okay. So the whole thing is, I'm okay. If you want to use the subscription and try and save yourself 10%, I'm okay with that. Just make sure you cancel the subscription before it renews, because then you're calling me a liar, calling me a thief, because you wasn't playing the game properly. Like, I don't hate the game, I just hate the player, because the player don't know how to play the game. You want to save your 10%, that's fine. I'm okay with that. That's okay. You actually, okay, whatever, that's okay. But just make sure you cancel it before it renews, because I'd be damned if I'm going to listen to you call me a liar, saying that I'm stealing from you. Because I have no, why would I steal from you? Why? I'm not stealing from you. You just ain't doing it right. You hustling backwards. But with all that being said, I do have subscriptions. They're really dope subscriptions. Let me fix this. Hold up. Hold up, almost got it.